Hey everybody, this is Caleb with HVAC School, and I'm here with Hunter Collins from Kalo Services. And we're here to do a series of 3 videos that wherein we're going to test the quality of Blue On Tech Support. This might be a service that you've been previously unaware of. Now, if you've been accredited through their app, you have access to the training materials, as well as their library of equipment info and product data, as well as the 24/7, 365 tech support line, which you can access through the app at any time. It doesn't have to just be Blue On related issues. You could call them about any type of service related issue that you're dealing with out in the field. So this is going to be a sample call in 3 parts where we're going to gauge the quality of their tech support. We're assuming we're not going to get the same guy every time, so different guys per call. And these guys have absolutely no access to the questions we're asking beforehand. So it's going to be an organic service call support. So enjoy. All right, so our first call is going to be regarding a humidity issue. This was a call that we experienced in Wilmington, North Carolina. It was a Goodman system. It was a 3.5 ton unit, which was already a little oversized for the space that he was inhabiting. The airflow, apparently at some point, a technician came over and replaced the blower motor in the air handler in the attic, and it was a larger blower than what it came with from the factory. So the setting was on high. They did a flow hood test, I believe, and they got about 1600 CFM, total system CFM. And so the humidity was super high, obviously, for obvious reasons. The coil was running warm, it was short cycling, and, it was already oversized, so it was just exacerbating the issue. What we ended up doing was that they lowered the fan speed. We got down to like an 1100 CFM, total system airflow, and that corrected the issue. It hasn't solved the oversized problem, but that is ultimately what we had an issue with. Was our delta T was a little off. Once we lowered that fan speed, we got that humidity down a lot.
Blue On Tech Support, this is Nathan.
Hey Nathan, this is Hunter with Kalo Services.
Hey Hunter, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Not too bad, man. What can I help you with?
I got a system here. We've been having some humidity issues. Getting about a reading about 62% humidity inside the home. Everything else checks out. The pressures are good. My delta T, everything else checks out just fine.
Not yet. Have you checked your fan setting?
Yes.
See what your fan speed is?
Yes.
What is your fan speed?
Set to high.
Set to high. I would take that. Where are you located?
In Wilmington, North Carolina. And the airflow is we're getting about 1600 right now, CFM.
What size system you working on?
The 3.5 ton.
3.5 ton?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, 1600, 3.5 ton. So if you're in a high humidity area, I definitely suggest lowering that fan speed down in order to get a little slower airflow. It's going to help take that humidity out. It's going to cool your coil down a lot more and get the humidity out a lot better than running that high. So typically like to see about 350 CFM per ton in a high humidity area. I'm located down here in South Florida, and that's where I got mine dialed into.
Oh, I hear you.
Right about 350.
I hear you. Also the duct is sweating pretty good amount too.
The duct's sweating. So
yeah.
Where at? Like in the attic or where at?
Yeah, in the attic.
Yeah. So that could be. You need to make sure it's well insulated, and also you don't have any leaks in there. Like seal that ductwork up.
Okay.
So I would check for leaks in the duct, and make sure that you're insulated well. Is it duct board or metal duct?
It's duct board.
Duct board
with flex.
You probably
yeah.
got some leaks. Yeah, you probably got some leaks going on in there. So I would definitely feel around to see where you have some leaks.
Okay.
See if you got leaks, and seal that up with some mastic.
Okay.
Cool. Anything else you got for me?
Nope. I think that'll be it. I appreciate it.
Cool, man. All right. Yep, no problem.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
All right. Bye-bye.